Hello, Wildcats. This is Miss Ivy coming at you for Monday's Marvelous Book Talk. Today I'm sharing with you Shadows of Sherwood. This is what I am currently reading. This is kind of a spin on Robin Hood. Our main character is named Robin, and there's lots of Nottingham and references like that. So in this one, the night that her parents go missing, her whole life is turned completely upside down, and her village is taken over by an evil governor. So, in an attempt to get away from the evil governor, she goes out with a band of misfits who all have their own secret talents. But while she is trying to make the world right with her band of misfit friends, she starts to research the death of her family and realizes that maybe her family's death might be tied to her country and her city in some way. So, will she ever figure out if her parents are really dead? And if they are, who did it? To find out, read Shadows of Sherwood. This is Miss Ivy coming at you from your Wayside Library.